This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Welcome to this like-new construction home in the highly desired Michael Woods neighborhood. This move-in ready home boasts an open floor plan with kitchen with bar and eat-in breakfast area open to the living room, and a separate dining room. The primary ensuite is complete with a walk-in closet and double vanity. In addition to the spacious bedrooms with plenty of closet space, you will enjoy the flexible loft space perfect for anything you may need. You will love the large backyard just waiting to entertain guests. Open house Monday and Tuesday 2:28 and 3:13 o'clock to 6 o'clock. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-470-1139.